Great is Mark Brown here. We're going to go looking at how we can actually create a spreadsheet. Just a simple spreadsheet for beginners. Let us jump on the PC and let's begin. Right, I will guide you through the whole entire process. Right, so in order for me now to do that now, let's go through the instruction. Right, it's how to create an Excel spreadsheet. Right, first thing to open a blank spreadsheet and save it as workbook. Right, it's a type out the following. So heading, training school, in the body, we put in item, and quantity, and then price. It's a insert some data in the spreadsheet. It's a merge and center the heading. So calculate the quantity and the price. So add 2 decimal places to the price. Add currency to all price. Name the spreadsheet as budget. Right? So we're going to create a blank spreadsheet. Right? So I will write here in my taskbar. So I can click on it and allow it to come up. Right, so while it's coming up, we're going to go through a little details. Right, this is how it looks like. So now we have this blank one right here. Right, so we want to focus on the blank one. So click here on the blank. Right, waiting on it to come up. Right, if you notice at the front here, we have the letters. You notice come down here, we have numbers. Right, and notice you have this little box. Right, coming down like this is column. Going across here is row. Right, so letters plus number equals cell. Right, you notice my cursor each time I see a put it right, it's a turn different. Alright, so now we do that now. The first thing I want to look at, we're going to look back at, right, where it says, type out the following, training school. Right, this is going to be the edit. Right, and they have item, quantity, and price. Right, so let us hit that. Alright, so we're going to type it here. Alright, and it says school. Here, right, notice it looks like it over in a 2 cell. No, what is in 1 cell. Alright, so we're going to come down, notice right here left button, look at space again, and then we're going to say item, right, item, just like that. Then we're going to go down, now go across, right, we're going to put quantity, right, then you're going to go across again, we're going to put price, just like that. Let us go back to the instruction and see what the instruction said again. Alright, it's a insert some data into the sheet. So I'm going to insert some data in the sheet. Right. So I'm going to insert some data in the sheet. So I can create some rice here. I can get some here. And then we can get something like this. Right, now put in some data now, right? So what we want now, we want some quantity. So we can say that I want now. I can put in some quantity. Yes. Just like that. So we're going to come down like that, and then we're going to put something like that. Now we want to focus on the price now. So come across now. Right, so just want to put that, and then we can put 0, 0. Right. We can come down. We can put that. That. We can come down. Right. We can put something there. Like that, and then we can come down. There's something like that. Right. So if you notice, this one still left over to that particular section. Alright, if I want to fix it, again double clicking it like that. I can put something to it. If you notice, if I come out, I write, you notice you can't write back here. Alright, so we're actually putting in some data so far. So let me see what next. Alright, it's a merge and center the edit. Alright, so we're going to merge and center the edit. Alright, the first thing you want it to do. Alright, you want to block the edit. This is cool. Alright, we're going to carry it to D like that. So come all the way up here to the tab. Notice alignment. Notice it's the word merge and center. So we're going to click right on this little pointer. Alright, so merge and center. Alright, if you notice right here, it's merge and center. Alright, so very important. Alright, so let's just go to the next one. It's a calculate the quantity and the price. Alright, so we're going to do that. Alright, so we're going to click right inside here. Alright, we're going to calculate. So what we want to do, the formula, all formulas start to equal. So we're going to say equal SUM, and we're going to put a bracket. Right, and then this here is in B. So we want to say B. Alright, and this is in what? 4. So it's a B4. Alright, and then we're going to put a colon. Colon means a range, a chart. And then this is what is a C, and then it's 4. C4. And then we're going to put by the bracket. Alright, if you notice, over this, here, there's a box around it. So when I press enter, you notice, you can click it. Right? So in order for me to do the same thing over, I put the cursor right here, and just drag down just like that, and you can click everybody else, just like that. Alright? You notice if I click in this one, you notice up here in the formula bar show me the formula. If I click on the second one, it shows you exactly the formula what I do. Alright, if I click here, notice it shows me the formula. Alright, so very important. So we're going to be looking at the next instruction. Right? It's the add currency to no, it's not add 2 decimal places, the price, right? So add the 2 decimal places to the right. No, we have to add the currency first. Alright, let's go back now. Alright, add the currency first, then we put the decimal places. Alright, so let us do that. Alright, so in order for me to put the currency now, alright, what I'm going to be doing, I have to block everything. Alright, we're going to come right up here. Notice this is a number, I can click right here. Alright, and this is your currency. Alright, you notice you have general, you have number, you have currency, you have accounting, you have short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, percentage. So what I want to focus on is that, right? So it's add 2 decimal places that come right here. This one now is increase, decimal, this is decrease. Alright, so if I click on this, alright, it's a 2 decimal places. Alright, you notice I have 2 decimal places. Alright, so I can actually click off. Alright, so I'm going to look at what next. Alright, it's a name the spreadsheet as budget. Alright, we're going to make that simple. Alright, so we're going to come all the way here. Alright, we're going to right click. Alright, and then we're going to click rename. Alright, you notice the cursor blinking. We're going to type your budget. Alright, and then you press enter. Alright, and that's all we concluding this in this particular video so far. I hope you have learned something from this particular